Hi, my name is Lloyd. Tran. I'm the CEO of Biomed Industries Inc. We locate in San Jose, California. We're very pleased to have opportunity to participate at the Alzheimer Association International Conference 2024 held in Philadelphia, the beautiful city, on July 27 to August 1st. Over the past couple of days, we display our poster presentations. We have 5 posters highlight the range of our research from the beginning of Biomed development of our phase 2 clinical trials of NA831 for the treatment of dementia and Alzheimer's disease, and also the application of NA831 for major depressive disorders. We also highlight the application of NA831 analogs, including NA921 for the treatment of Rett syndrome, NA931 for obesity, and NA11 for stroke. We present our data, including the interfacing of our major drug NA31 to all the applications. As Michael mentioned, that we also present the last paper on the review of amyloid hypothesis, and Dr. Tran, my colleagues here, going to discuss in depth what is finding, the challenge and the failure of amyloid research over the past 20 years. So at this meeting, we're very happy to meet with our old friends and potential partners. So perhaps Michael, give us a pep talk about,
Sure.
Yes.
I think one of the most surprising and enlightening aspects of this conference so far is that virtually everyone we have met with in the meetings has really shown quite a bit of skepticism about a standalone treatment for Alzheimer's disease using anti-amyloid drugs. As Dr. Zung's Tran webinar presentation will point out, there's been 20 plus years of failure of those drugs to actually affect the progression of the disease. So it has really been made clear that it's time now to start to look at real alternatives. Certainly one of those alternatives that we propose is a combination therapy with one of the FDA approved drugs called Lecanemab. I think as in the market it's now called Lecanemab. But there are, a number of other avenues that really deserve exploration because, as Dr. Lloyd Tran mentioned, there are a lot of people suffering with this disease worldwide. So it's time really now to make a change.
Yes, over the past 30 years or longer, the amyloid hypothesis dominated the research guidance for our community. At this conference, we see many young and new generations with the open-minded. They begin to look at the guidance called hypothesis on AD, and they realize that why keep it so long? Why the idea guided amyloid research over the past 20 years have not been successfully challenged? Why keep on go on for so long? And I must understand that it's not easy to change the new idea, and Alzheimer's disease, like any other medical symptoms, take a long time to understand how it works. And the brain is one of the most complex and marvelous organ of our human being. Right? It is the central nervous system, and something wrong, something disorder, it took years to understand, let alone to find a solution. So I understand the challenge we're facing. We are pleased to have the benefit of look back decades of research. And at Biomed, we spent almost 20 years introducing the concept of neurogenesis. We believe that it is one of the most effective way to stop the progress of dementia by introducing new neurons in the hippocampus. Our drug, NA831, catalyzes the making of new neurons in the hippocampus. It is a center of memory and cognitive functions. So we believe this is one of the most efficient way. And our drug is a small molecules. It readily crosses the blood-brain barrier. It's so remarkable, significant benefit for patients over our clinical trials of phase 2A and all the clinical trials of our drug for treatment of major depressive disorder, obesity and related symptoms. So we're confident that we have a strong proof of safety evidence to move forward to the phase 2B and phase 3 for our drugs. That's what makes us feel very enthusiastic. We get up to the morning early and try to do some good thing. We know that end of the day, it's not about us. It is about the patient. At Biomed, we believe that patient come first. Patient is what we try to strive hard and hopefully to find a solutions to the problem, even though we have to convince our colleagues that the past is over, right? Today is the new day, today is the new era. We believe that we will join forth with our communities, move forward to the next frontier of research for Alzheimer's disease. So we're very happy to have chance to work together with our potential partner, and we all together for the benefit of the patients. So let me pass the microphone to Jung. You have anything to add before you start?
Yes, I hope that you all can log in to our webinar in a couple of hours. I'll be presenting, as Lloyd had mentioned, a look-back analysis where we looked at all the clinical trials that have been done on this particular class of drugs, the anti-amyloid drugs. For this specific analysis, we focused only on the phase 3 trials, the one that made it through to FDA approval, of which there are 3, and all the rest. So we're going to do a compare and contrast analysis between the drugs in terms of efficacy and safety, between drugs that have been approved by the FDA and those did not, although they made it through their phase 3 trials, either did not get submitted or did not get approval from the FDA. And I think you all will find that it's very interesting because it will support the fact that the amyloid hypothesis is not a viable option for further research.
We're here to help our patients, and we appreciate you continue support us. It's a long journey, there are a lot of challenges ahead of us, but we think we have achieved a lot of progress. We make a mark and we bring the voice to the community and to help the patient. Once again, all of us at Biomed Industries, Michael Willis, Phương, Vũ, Dung, Tran, and also our guests, Corinne Novak and Lloyd Tran. We all thank you.